Hey everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video we have a actually kind of an unusual video for you. So this one is going to be an unboxing video of this amazing GPU. So guys, as you can see, this is going to be a unboxing video of the RTX 5070 Ti. So this is actually my first unboxing video. I've never done it before, so a new experience, I suppose. So guys, I'm actually upgrading from a much weaker GPU, which I will now show you. I have it handy right over here. So this is my previous GPU. This is the RX 6700 XT, okay? So my old GPU. It's not a bad GPU, also it's kind of heavy, more into the heavy side, as you can see. In a very good state, actually. I'm going to sell it, of course, because I don't need it anymore. So this is going to be my upgrade. So I'm going to keep it kind of short so that you guys actually get what you want, which is, of course, unboxing. So guys, just to give you a small explanation about what this GPU actually is and how powerful it is and what kind of features it has. So the closest to performance this card goes to RTX 4080 Super. So this is a older previous GPU from the previous generation. So this one is very similar to it, but yeah, well, unfortunately it's very similar because I don't know if you guys know or not, but this GPU, the 5000 series, is kind of underwhelming compared to the previous one. I don't really know why. I guess they just kind of want to make as much money as possible while giving you less performance. I guess that's my guess. But in general, guys, yeah, this is a 32 or I think 33 centimeter GPU. So of course the length is not as wide as the box. So it has DLSS 4, ray tracing, nvidia reflex low latency, and some kind of studio. What's this? To be honest, I have no idea. So this one is a ROG Strix gaming OC edition of this card. So it's more of a premium, of course, card than compared to some other ones. So in terms of the box, let me just demonstrate. So this is going to be the side of it. As you can see, we have the ASUS logo here. We have another logo of the 5070 Ti. Now, in terms of the back, basically this one has, I believe, 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port. No, 2 HDMI ports and 3 display ports. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like. So there you go. This is the card, the box. So okay, without further ado, let us actually start unboxing. So let us begin, of course, from the side, as you should do, not this side. Okay. Oh, it's this one. Okay. So let me just open it up like that. And now you can pull it out of the box. There you go. Okay. So the box is actually pretty cool all the way through, including the inside box. As you can see, it's pretty cool. We have the ROG Strix logo in here. So yeah, pretty cool design, very clean. I really like this box. As you can see, we have also some design on the sides as well. Actually, guys, it's very easy to open. So you don't need to do any kind of shenanigans with your hands. You just do this, and there you go, guys. It just opens up like this. I'm going to flip it for you so that you can see. So this is the inside of the box. So of course we get the paperwork, the usual paperwork that I suppose every GPU has on the very top of the box. So this is just a paperwork from ASUS, as you can see. So it's just what's inside. Let us check it out, of course. So we have these papers. So we have the thank you message. We have the graphics card holder, as you can see. If you don't have, for example, a card holder inside of your case, which I actually have, so I'm not going to use this, then you can use the card holder, some more paperwork, in search of incredible, as you can see. Oh, it's a warranty card. All right, so this is very important. You should always keep this. Then we have, what's this? This is some kind of guide for what? Oh, it's the cable guide. So I'm not gonna need the actual cables that will connect to PC, because I will use a cable to connect my GPU that is actually in the box with my power supply. Also, we have this measurement thing. I'm not really sure why they included this one in here, to be honest. Maybe they wanted me to measure the card or something. Well, this is not gonna cut it. This is this is too little. So this is only 20 centimeters. So this is not gonna do us any job with the measurement of the card, because the card itself is 33 centimeters. But this is a pretty cool bonus, I guess. I like the design, the print on it. It's very cool. Yeah, it's actually nice. I'm not sure. This is plastic. Yeah, plasticky thing. And now, guys, of course, the moment of truth. Let us remove this last piece of plastic and actually get to the GPU. So this is going to be the GPU, guys, as you can see. Yeah, my dream GPU. Have been waiting for an upgrade for a long time, so this is actually the upgrade that I'm doing, the very first one. This is the first powerful card that I've ever bought, so this is very exciting, guys. So before actually pulling it out, what else do we have? So we have this, what is this? This is for the cable work, I suppose. This is for the cables, to tie the cables. Okay, that's not bad. Of course, we have this, what should I call it? Converter. This stuff, the wires. So basically you put your usual wires into here, and then this side goes into the GPU itself. So I actually don't need this. I have a cable, just like I said, that will actually fix everything for me. I don't need this. And what else do we have? We have something else inside. So I'm not really sure what this is. Is this a disc? I'm really unsure what this is. Let's unpack it. Actually, I'm just going to grab some scissors and we will see what this is. Or maybe I can peel it off. All right, so this is removed. Put that away. So what is this? I have no idea. What is this? Oh, it's some kind of bonus item. Interesting. For those who dare. Look at that. That's nice. That's a nice little bonus. I thought it was a magnet or something, but yeah, I'm not sure what this is exactly, to be honest. But it's cool. Cool little bonus. I like the material. Feels kind of nice. It doesn't feel cheap. Yeah, it's got the geographical location. Nice. Republic of Gamers. For those who dare. Nice little bonus. That's not bad. So I think this is it. There's nothing. Oh, there's something. There's a stand. I forgot about the stand. So this is the stand, guys. I will also show it to you. So because the GPU is very heavy, it's about, I don't know, it's about 2.5 or 3 kilograms in weight. You, of course, will need to, of course, somehow hold it. So I don't actually need it. Just like I said, I already have a stand in my case, in my PC case. So I will not require this. So as you can see, you just pull it out, then you just bam, and you can now hold your GPU in place. So really cool, nice. And now finally getting to the GPU, guys. I'm going to very carefully put it out of the box. All right, we're gonna keep that one in. Wow, this is a beefy boy for sure. Wow, that's, yeah, it's heavy. It's heavy for the GPU. It's definitely the heaviest GPU I've ever held in my hands. That's a bloody fact, that is. All right, so I can just take this box away, and now we can actually unbox the card itself. So I'm just going to close it. Very nice box. Very nice box. I really like it. So this is the GPU. So what's left to do is only to unwrap. So as you can see, quite big. So it is just unwrap our present, long-awaited present. All right, like that. Bam. Bingo. And now we can actually take it out. Okay, so here's our boy. As you can see, quite big. You can compare it to my hands. I don't really have big hands, but yeah, this one's a beefy boy. Man, I feel this smell. Do you know this smell when you buy some new electronics and you have this like plasticky smell? Wow, it smells so bad. It's crazy. Yeah, so this is the GPU, very beautiful. Yeah, it's one of the on the premium side. Definitely the ROG Strix was always a more of a premium choice for a GPU manufacturer. Yeah, so if you're looking for a non-cheap GPU, so this one is definitely, what is this hair? This one's definitely worth of purchasing. Yeah, it smells really bad with the plastic and stuff. Yeah, so guys, of course we have the protective thingy in here, but what I will of course remove. There you go. You can put this away now. In terms of the ports, guys, as you can see, we have the display port, and 2 HDMIs. As you can see, just like I said, I was actually right. So 3 display ports and 2 HDMIs. All right. So of course, to peel this off, I will need to firstly unplug all of this, or maybe not. Actually, I don't think so. So let us actually start peeling off. Okay, guys. So let me do this. Oh no, I actually have to, I guess, remove all of this stuff. Okay. I did not know that. I guess we have to. No problem. I don't mind. And now we can peel this off. All right. Okay, one done. Great. Now, where else do we have some maybe small tape? I suppose that's it. Oh, the back. So let us peel off the front first. So where do we start? Oh, this is the side, right? Okay, peeling off the side. Oh, I actually do it incorrectly. Let's just do it, I guess. Oh, this is actually supposed to be done this way. Okay, no problem. Peeling off. Further. I'm here. And now the top. I know you guys love some peeling off action, so there you go. Yeah, kind of messed it up a bit, but it's fine. All right. So what do we have left? We have this left. Okay. There you go. All right. Fantastic. Okay, so we have the side left, this side over here. Peel this off as well. Okay. I assume this is the last one, right? Let me see. Yeah, I think so. Oh, we have the back as well. I have a little bit of this protective stuff left here. Okay. That's perfect. And now let us peel off the back. Beautiful card, absolutely beautiful. Now we can peel off the back. Let's do it. Okay. Bingo. Great. So guys, there you go. This is the card. Very beautiful. Yeah, very, very beefy card. So in terms of, I wanted to talk about the performance, and I only compared it to the previous generation's 4080 Super. So this card is actually a 1440p/4K card. So if you're looking to play games at 2K, at ultra settings, this card can easily pull that off. Also on this card, of course, you can game on the at 4K. Also this, I did not peel this off. All right. So now we are pretty much done. Everything is peeled off, I hope. Let me actually double check. Okay, in here everything is fine. In here, yeah, we've peeled off everything. So the only thing that I've seen is, why is this bent? That's weird. Is this supposed to be bent? So you can see this. Why is it bent? I'm not sure if it's a defect or is it supposed to be like this. It really looks like it's not a defect, to be honest. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna have to check this on the internet because I have no idea, to be honest. Yeah, guys, so pretty much if you want to play at 4K, you can do it. We have DLSS if you want some assistance in terms of increasing the performance. You can play at 1440p. You can play easily the competitive titles as well if you want to go over, for example, 3 and 4 and even 500 frames. If you're playing, I don't know, maybe CS2 or Valorant or maybe Overwatch, this thing can max out the FPS completely. Also, in terms of the value, this is the only card that I can actually recommend you buying in this GPU generation, because if we're talking about the 5080, it's too expensive, and this card, if you overclock this, it will actually be almost as powerful as the 5080, so it's just 0 cents to buy that card. And if you're wondering about the 5090, well, it costs probably more than twice. It's probably more than twice the price of this card, so you have to decide for yourself if it's worthy or not. For me, it's definitely not worth it. Yeah, in general, this is pretty much it, guys. Amazing card. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. In the future, we will provide, of course, some tutorials on this card. We'll have some new videos coming out very soon. So if you're looking forward to that, make sure to like the video, guys. Subscribe down below to the channel. Leave a comment also down below. And see you next time, guys. Thank you for watching.